prominent leaders from Wapenamanda, based in Port Moresby, have called on their local Member of Parliament and Minister for Transport, Honourable Miko Kaiko, and the Enga Provincial Government to urgently consider a state of emergency in the district. The meeting, held earlier today, comes amid reports of unrest that have affected local communities. Leaders say immediate intervention is necessary to help restore peace and stability for families, schools, and businesses across Wapenamanda.
And fight on the fight stuff like Wapenamanda now where the Yakuman tribe now. The Yakuman tribe we make him. Wapenamanda is the gateway to Enga. Suppose this law fight me go on. Me feel him ever affect him Enga, ever affect him Pompium, ever affect him Daigam, ever affect him Wapek, Central, ever affect him Kandep. So when people come here and we consent when people have the honorable member you step in now request long Enga Provincial Government where Governor will come in long declare him state of emergency now Lord. Defend him Ogada state institutions law of Wapenamanda. And we consent long people Ogada law here. Because people all elites law here, people stand up united here. People like him, this fight must cease now. The fight must finish now. So we talk thank you, Minister. You've been affected, but you as a leader, you member of Mipla. Mipla appeal on you again. Please. You've been making last day call. Mipla one bell is not call where you make him. But you step in. Now you talk to James Marave, you are one of the state minister. Now you talk to Governor, now please. Me appeal over the members of Wapenamanda must come to understand that what is happening here in Wapenamanda and affecting over the provinces. So me request to people, member of Wapenamanda, people of Enga, please, we stand united.
According to community reports and social media updates, tensions between local groups, particularly the Yakuman and Yagaqueen communities, have increased in recent weeks. Incidents of property damage have been reported, including the destruction of buildings connected to local leadership. Local residents have expressed concern over these developments, emphasizing the importance of swift government action to prevent further disruptions and maintain public safety. The Wapenamanda elites highlighted that the current situation requires a coordinated response from both provincial and national authorities. They are calling for increased security measures, support for local infrastructure, and steps to help communities feel safe and secure.
Sign.
Community updates on social media suggest that daily life has been disrupted in parts of the district, with residents urging leadership to act decisively and prevent further escalation. As these events continue to unfold, leaders and residents alike are emphasizing the importance of a state of emergency in Wapenamanda to help restore stability and protect communities. Authorities are being called upon to work together to ensure safety and promote peace across the district. This is Pulse of PNG, keeping you informed.